Hi, welcome back to Easy Moon channel. I have good news today, guys, because there are already 2 winners in our Neon Wren bird giveaway. But first of all, I want to thank everyone who participated in this giveaway, and I really appreciate it. You still have a chance to win in our next giveaways, so don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell, so you can always be updated on my next videos. Okay guys, here are the 2 winners. Our second winner is with me today to receive his Neon Wren prize. Hello to you. Congratulations. I just want to thank you again, and I'm happy because they are happy and he is really excited to get his prize. And thanks for your support. You can join me while playing Adopt Me. Thank you so much, guys. And of course, our first winner is also with me today. Congratulations. She also can't believe she won, and I'm so happy because she's also excited. Thank you for the cat you gave me. I'll take good care of it. You can also join me while I play Adopt Me. Congratulations again to our 2 winners. And this is the end of my video. I hope you enjoyed watching. Take care always, everyone, and thank you very much. See you in my next videos. Bye-bye.